Hey, welcome back. Alrighty then. Now it's time for us to fix the front page and shopping, the shop and front page. Okay, so what we want to do is fix the menu here, for example, because on our menu here we have all these product details, checkout, cart, and login, which we don't actually require. The same thing goes for the blog. We don't want these things here, but we'll leave blog because we will have a blog page. 404 is definitely not required. Contact is required, so we're going to leave that there. But let's go to our header, because this is part of the header. Then we can remove this as well. We will not be doing anything with this. If you will be, you can leave that there, but I won't be doing that, so I can remove those parts. And then we can do our search bar. So let's go to app and let's go to our views, eShop, and then the header, of course. So where are we? Header, right there. So let me see what we have here. These are the social icons, so we have to go a bit lower. And what I'm looking for mainly is, so this one has the selection of dollar, and this one has the selection of USA. I think this is the part that is right here, USA and dollar. We do not need these two parts, so I am just going to delete the entire group that holds this. So let me see what happens when I do that. And I will refresh, and both of those are gone. Thank you very much. Now let's go down to our menu. So let's go to where the home top toggle navigation. Okay, that's okay. So there's shop here, right? And then there's products. So what I want now is to remove, wait a second. So here there's a drop down icon, which is this one right here, angle down, this one. So what I will do is have that removed, remove the icon. So the entire eye should be removed, and then the href is going to have to point to shop here, which is this one, and don't forget to remove the hash. And then the submenu is right here, so I will remove the entire submenu because I do not need it. Okay, so that's good enough. Let me remove this one back here, like so. So let's do the same thing for blog. Let's remove the bottom part here. Let's remove the angle down. And then I would take this list item back here. And we don't definitely need the 404 page. The contact us will remain as it is. So let me save that. And let's refresh. And there we go. So this is much better. If I click on shop, I'm right here. If I click on home, I'm there. Shop, blog, contact. Now, if you notice one thing, home has this active thingy here, which does not reflect the other guys once we do this. Okay, so let's see what we can do about that. So this one has a class of active. So what needs to happen here is the active class should move depending on the page itself, right? So what can we do here? Well, we can put an if statement in the class right here. Okay, so first of all, if we look at the page title, let's see if we can echo out page title here. So I'm going to do something like that, and then I'm going to say page title. So let's see what we're going to echo there and make sure that it's different on every page. So here the page title is home. If I click here, it's shop, blog. not cool. It's going back to home, I guess, because there's no blog controller. So that's okay. We're going to fix that. But at least it's moving where there's shop, because we do have a controller for this, and home. So let's use that to determine what to do here. So I'm going to cut out this, and then I want to just echo out a class name only if something matches there. So I'm going to remove that first and paste something like that. And then what I'm going to say is equals to, right? So we're going to ask the question, page title is equal to home, right? If it's equal to home, then we are home dry here. So if it's equal to home, let's put that question mark, and then let's echo active full colon, and then let's add some empty strings like that, semicolon. Hopefully this is not too much. Let's see if it still works. And then if I click here, it shouldn't highlight that, neither here. Okay, so it's working. Very good. So what I will do is copy this class right here up to that very end, because that's where the whole thing ends from. And then I will paste just before, right here, paste. And paste here as well, and paste here as well. The only thing I have to change, of course, is these names right there. Here we are looking for home, there we are looking for shop, and here we are looking for blog. And then here we are looking for contact. I don't know what I would name it there. Maybe it would be contact us or contact. Anyway, we can figure it out as we go. All right, so there we go. Now let me refresh. So we are on shop here. We are on home, blog, contact. Yeah. Here it shouldn't show anything. Oh, that's because the title remains home when I click any of these, except shop, because these don't have a controller of some kind, right? But this is not what should happen here. Oh, it's the controller they don't have, so it's not the view. If it was the view, it would have said something. All right, so this is all good for now. Let me come back here for a second, and let's see if we can add a few controllers. No, actually, let's not add the controllers. We will add them as we work on the pages themselves. Okay, so far so good. Now in the next video, we're going to look at how to add a search bar so we can begin to search for some content here, right? I'll see you in the next video.